couple people have asked about how to upload a Microsoft Word document into Google and actually convert it to a Google Doc so that you can use it in things like Google Classroom. So I'm going to show you a really quick way on how to do that. I'm just going to create a new folder here so that my file is easy to find. So in my test folder, I'm going to open this up. Now on my desktop here, I have a Microsoft Word document from something else that I use. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to physically, and you can do this off of your remote desktop, or if you downloaded your files onto a thumb drive, what you can do is you can take this file and literally drag it right in. You can see how it, when I hold it into that file, it's going to have that plus sign with copy on it. And it's going to, if you see down here, it's going to copy the file. Now I get the green check mark, it means it's done. Now, but as you can see, it is still in that little W logo. It's still in a Word document. Now, if I open this up, it's going to open up like this, almost like I can view it only. But if I was to right click on it and say, open it up with Google Docs, it's now going to open it up instead of a view only file. It's going to be editable. So you can actually change it. But the one thing that you need to be careful about is that if you can see right here, a couple months ago, Google added the ability to open and edit document files from Microsoft in their native format. So it's still in the Word format. So the one thing you want to do is if you go over here to File, and you can actually hit this button that says Save as Google Docs. And what it's going to do is it's going to open up a new window. It takes a second or two because it's actually converting the file into the Google Docs format. And you can see that the text is back on the page, and this still went off a little bit. A lot of times the formatting doesn't necessarily work. But if I go back to my test folder, you can see that there's now the Word document, and now there's the one with the little, almost looks like a notepad, a blue notepad, and that's the Google Docs file. And then this is the file that you would want to use in things like Google Classroom and other things like that. Hope that helps. It's a great way to convert all of your Word files to Google Drive. Thanks.